Hey friends, have you ever been to a farm? Everything on a farm has a job. Farmers grow our fruits and our veggies. Cows give us milk, chickens lay eggs. I mean, how cool is that? But guess what? Some of the most important creatures on a farm you might never even see. They crawl, buzz, wiggle, and flutter, and they have big jobs helping plants grow. In order to really understand how they help out, we've got to get really small. Whoa! At this size, it's like a forest down here. Plants like trees, leaves like highways, and tiny creatures everywhere. Just like the big animals on the farm, these little ones have important jobs to do. Some move things around, some clean things up, and some stop other critters from bugging us and the food we grow. And guess what? To keep the farm working, we need to make sure these little helpers are working too. Is that a doorbell? I thought I left those back in the big size world. Oh, I know what it is. It's not a doorbell, but it is a delivery. Bees are always busy. They're likely searching for nectar, the sweet juice inside of flowers, and pollen. Pollen is a tiny dust that plants make, and when bugs like bees deliver it from flower to flower, it helps plants grow seeds and fruits, like almonds, and arugula, and apples. And speaking of apples, snack ahead! Can you drop me off here? Thanks. Huh? Oh, right. Some creatures love snacking on plants. That's okay. Everyone has to eat. But if they snack too much, plants might have trouble growing. But I know what to do. Hey, a little help here. Luckily, some helpful creatures, like dragonflies, ladybugs, and spiders, protect plants from harmful ones. Thanks, spider. I can't eat another bite. Wait, where did it go? Oh, I see now. Down in the dirt, these are the recyclers at work. Worms and pillbugs break down rotting stuff into the healthy soil that plants need to grow. Even fungi, like these mushrooms, join in. These recyclers are called decomposers. It's like they're making plant food from leftovers. Yum. So much amazing work is happening in this tiny world. Want to see what it looks like in the real world? I'm here at Common Goods City Farm with my friend Emily and some kids from the neighborhood. We're gonna do some soil science.
Yes. All right, everybody, I'm gonna get a big shovel full of dirt from here, and we're gonna look for living things in it, all right? So we're gonna spread it out. Anybody see any ants or worms or roly-poly?
Oh, go ahead. Roly-polies.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a roly-poly.
Oh.
There's one in here. Oh, there's another worm. Two worms. Hey, Blue, I dare you to touch it.
For the second part of the experiment, we're gonna use our senses. I want you guys to touch it a little bit, pick some up in your hands, and I want you guys to even smell the soil, all right?
Smells fresh.
Smells fresh?
Okay, actually that smells good.
Yeah, it smells good, right? We want it to smell like it's just rain.
Yeah.
Smell like the earth. That's an indicator of healthy soil, okay? If it doesn't have any smell, that means it might not have all the nutrients and all the creatures that our plants need to make the soil healthy. And if it smells kind of rotten, we don't want that either. It probably means it has too much food that hasn't broken down. So we want some healthy soil.
So, Emily, we found 5 worms. Does that mean 5 stars?
Absolutely. The more creatures in the soil, the healthier it is.
Nice. So just like tiny creatures keep plants healthy and nature running, you can help too. Help pollinators like our friend the bee by planting native flowers. Those are plants that naturally grow near you and are perfect foods for pollinators. Or you can save food scraps to help the recyclers keep soil healthy for a home garden. Tiny creatures have big jobs helping plants grow so that we can have yummy fruit, crunchy veggies, and beautiful flowers. Let's help keep them happy, healthy, and buzzing with excitement.